Hey Blues, welcome back to Vendblue, where we show you how to turn what you love into income. My name is Omonso Yarikwa, and today I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how to create and sell your online course on Vendblue. By the end of this tutorial, you know how to structure your course, upload it, set your pricing, and start selling.
Log into your Vendblue account, click on Create Product and select Online Course. You'll be redirected to the info page. Here you can put a name, description and thumbnail for your product. And with our Generate AI feature, you can feed prompts of what you want to get high converting names and product details. Select the level of your course and the language. Click here to insert a thumbnail for your product. Add amount, category, and the caption, which is the first thing people read before they see more product details. Toggle to content, add a course section, and for that section you can add the content, which could be a video or resource material or even a quiz. Add the video and cover image. And tap Create. You can add as many content as you like. And if it is a course material, you upload your zip file and tap Create. You can also add other sections and as many content as you please. And once you're done, tap Publish. And as with other products, when you click Products, you will see them categorized to the left-hand panel.
And that's how you create and sell an online course on Vendblue. Start with a clear goal, create structured content, and share it with your audience. If you want more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you have questions or need help, you can always book a quick call with our customer service team. Tell us in the comment section, do you have an online course on Vendblue? Share a little about it and drop a link. You never know who's watching and who might be looking to enroll. Bye Blues! Don't forget, we're here to help you turn what you love into income. Happy creating!